Outstanding design, slim, lightweight, and super bright safety lights with 5 high-powered LEDs per device and 3 lighting modes: steady, always on, slow flash, and fast flash, strobe. High-capacity batteries included with a battery life of up to 96 hours or more. Assembled with stainless steel screws for extreme durability and weather resistance. Bonus accessories: 4 extra CR2032 batteries, 2 sets, 2 long and elastic Velcro straps, mount the lights to dog collars, leashes, bikes, strollers, ankles, wrists, arms, helmets, canes, wheelchairs and more, plus a mini screwdriver for no-hassle battery replacement process. Easy to use, strong, no-slip clip attaches easily and stays on securely. Hooked onto your belt, pockets, smartphone armband, running gear, reflective vest, belt, backpack, helmet, dog collars, harnesses, anywhere on your clothing, or onto the included elastic Velcro straps. Ultimate versatility: no matter what brings you out at night or during inclement weather, our Supernova safety lights can help to keep you safe. When you're running, walking, cycling, changing a tire, or just getting some fresh air, these will keep you safe and visible. A must-have for any low-light situation when your safety relies on your being seen. 100% money-back guarantee and 1-year warranty. Order now, risk-free. Enjoy complete peace of mind, knowing that every purchase is protected by an exclusive 1-year warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee. Either you love the product or you're entitled to a 100% refund or replacement. No exceptions. Top reviews from the United States. Great safety lights for small dogs. I'm thoroughly pleased with these 2 little lights. I got them to attach to my 6-pound Papillon harness for walking at night. She tends to trail a few feet behind me when walking on the leash, and I'm quite nervous about cars swinging around the corners of our crazy NYC streets. Also, people walking around with their noses in their smartphones don't always notice a tiny dog down there on the ground. These lights make a huge difference. The 2 lights together, including batteries, weigh just 1.3 ounces. Not too much weight for my pup to carry. I attach one on each side of her harness. They clip on easily and stay on tight. They are very bright. I use the fast blink setting and people definitely notice her now. I get lots of comments on how cute she is and what a good idea to have her so well lit.